Hello dear students, welcome once again to online video lectures. Today we'll talk about the Bardoli Satyagraha which took place in 1928. The previous part have been already uploaded in the previous videos. You might take a look into it. Let us discuss the Bardoli Satyagraha. The British government increased the revenue in Bardoli region by 22%. Here revenue means tax. When the farmers' request was not attended by the government, they decided to launch a satyagraha. So farmers were not happy with the tax which was increased by 22% by the Britishers, and the farmers were not happy. They requested the British government to bring the rate of the tax down. They were not happy with it. So if the government had decided to increase the revenue, they were not accepting the request that was made by the farmers. So the farmers decided that they will launch a satyagraha. All the farmers went to Gandhiji and informed about their problems. There, Vallabhai Patel was sitting with Gandhiji, and when Gandhiji said that Vallabhai Patel should accept the leadership of the satyagraha, he readily accepted. So Vallabhai Patel accepted the leadership of the satyagraha. Ravi Shankar Maharaj and Jugat Ram Dave, they also gave their support to the satyagraha, and also the fires and encouraging speeches of Vallabhbhai Patel made the farmers fearless, and they denied paying revenues. Before the satyagraha, many farmers agreed to pay the tax because they were highly exploited by the Britishers. So they didn't know what to do, and they were just paying the taxes. But now they were denied they were denying to pay the taxes to the Britishers because they were encouraged and inspired with the speeches made by Vallabhbhai Patel. As a result, the British government called Vallabhbhai Patel to Pune to have a meeting with him. In the presence of other farmers, amount of revenue was settled justly, and the success of the Bardoli Satyagraha earned a fame to Mr. Vallabhbhai Patel, and the title of Sardar was given to him by Gandhiji. So Sardar Patel, he played a very significant role in the negotiations during 1945 to 47 for the freedom of India. He was among the prominent leaders of the freedom struggle from 1918 onwards till India became free in 1947, and after that also he has done a notifying job in the freedom struggle and uniting the India after the freedom. He was among the prominent leaders, means the main successful leaders of the freedom struggle since 1918. He also became the president of Indian National Congress in 1931. For additional information, I would like to remind you that he was the first Home Minister of independent India. He was the keen person to unite the provincial states in which India was divided before independence. It was the power of Sardar Patel that he was be able to influence, to dominate, and to convince the princely states kings to unite with the Union of India. So, in the very short, let us revise the Bardoli Satyagraha. Bardoli Satyagraha started in 1928 because the government has increased the revenue in Bardoli by 22%. The farmers were not happy by this, and they decided to launch a satyagraha. Vallabhbhai Patel, he was asked by Gandhiji to become the leader of the satyagraha, and Ravi Shankar Maharaj and Jugat Ram Dave also gave their support to the satyagraha. The speech given by Vallabhbhai Patel made the farmers to go fearless, and they readily denied paying the revenue. By seeing this, government called Vallabhbhai Patel to have a meeting in Pune, and in his presence, he was able to settle the matter in a just way, means in a justified way. After the successful completion of the Bardoli Satyagraha, he was famously called as Sardar. So, Vallabhbhai Patel was called as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel after the successful completion of the Bardoli Satyagraha. He played important role in negotiations during 1945 to 47 for the freedom of India. He was the most important leader of the freedom struggle since 1918, and also he became the president of Indian National Congress in 1931. So that's all the information given in the Bardoli Satyagraha. So, uh, read this paragraph and collect additional informations on Bardoli Satyagraha. Bardoli Satyagraha was famously known in the history of India because it gave a title to Mr. Vallabhbhai Patel. Since Bardoli Satyagraha, he was known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, dear students, read this and collect the additional information on Bardoli Satyagraha and note it down in your notebook. That will be all for today. Let's meet for the next video in the upcoming time. Thank you all. Stay safe and keep studying.